It's time for festival season and your study schedule is about to get disturbed. Probably just after the festive season, you have one of the important exams that are coming. How do you maintain your study schedule in those cases? Now, festivals are something that are predefined. You know the exact dates when the whole thing in the family would have a different atmosphere. So, a good idea is to maintain yourself ahead of the things. That means, let's say, if 24th is a festive day, prepare yourself well ahead. So, start from 18th till let's say 22nd and cover the things that you were about to cover on 23, 24, and 25. So, that's a good way of scheduling yourself to reduce the pressure on the festive days. Definitely, when there is a celebration around, you feel that there is something that I'm missing, or I might also get involved into it, or even if you are onto studies, you are not wholeheartedly committed to it. So, a good idea is to take a advanced step and cover certain portions ahead of the designated scheduled time that you have taken into account. The second good option is to take time in the late hours or early hours. So during the day, definitely everything would be in a festive mood. So either early morning before everyone gets up, you can spend 2 to 3 hours focusing on what you want to do, or after your family members have slept, you can extract 2 to 3 hours and cover some of the important things during that time. So that's a good way of scheduling yourself during the festive seasons.